Hey guys, so welcome back to Delstack. Today I will be showing you how to block websites on Brave browser. So in order for you to do that, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and open up a Brave browser into your computer. Now, once you are here guys, one thing, the Brave has a feature built in. You could just simply select the three lines on the top right corner, and from here you will have an option settings over here. Now once you are on the settings on the left side of the screen, you should be able to see here shields. So go ahead and select shields, and from here, as you can see, you can block trackers and ads which follow you across the web. So pretty much you could filter it out over here. And now, as you can see down below, you will have social media blocking. From here, you could allow Facebook login and embed posts. You could also utilize the Twitter and the LinkedIn. Now, as you can see, there are no specific website blocker. So to do that, you have to download a third-party application. So you could just simply select extensions over here on the left side, go get more extension, and from here you could utilize the search bar and search for system web blocker. So you could just simply add this to Brave, add the extension, and right after that, as you can see, we have added it. And for example, I am going to block YouTube. So just simply go to youtube.com, go for the extension over here, and then go ahead and select this extension. And you can just simply select add this URL to block list. And automatically, as you can see, the YouTube will be blocked from here. As you can see, we have now blocked a specific website. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.